Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today we're going to be making General's chicken. For the New Year's, of course. For that, we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken thighs, half a cup of cornstarch, a fourth of a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, a sprinkle of red pepper, a half a cup of water, 5 tablespoons low sodium soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 4 tablespoons sugar, and another 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Well, this is going to be a process, so you know the drill. Our first step to start off will be to pour our half a cup of cornstarch into our chicken and thoroughly mix it together. Cornstarch will be to get our chicken cooking in our wok in small intervals until it's all fried. When our chicken is almost completely done, we'll be adding in our rest of our chicken. And adding in our ginger garlic mixture to stir into it. And while our chicken is cooking, we're going to add in our water, our sugar, our rice wine vinegar, our hoisin sauce. I'll scrape out the rest of that in a minute. Our soy sauce. And the rest of our cornstarch. We're going to thoroughly mix that together. After 5 minutes of that simmering together, we'll add in our sauce. And let that cook for the next 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce thickens up. Alright, our chicken sat for a while. I topped it off a little bit of green onions, and now we get to try it. Can't wait, I love this stuff. Well, I gotta say, this tastes almost exactly like takeout. And of course, if you like white chicken over the dark chicken, you can always get chicken breast for this. But it's a perfect flavor on the sauce, the chicken, everything. The consistency is right, the sauce thickened up nicely. Might need a tiny bit more heat, but with some of the pellets in the house, I can't always put heat. It would go wonderfully over a bed of rice or some egg rolls. It would be a complete little dish that way. So if you like what you saw, think you should try it, have tried it, have some advice, well, you know what to do. Leave me a comment, leave me a like. And I'd like to wish everybody a happy new year and hopes that 2025 is the best it can be at this point. Well, we'll see you next time.